Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to factory reset Amazon Kindle application. To factory reset the Amazon Kindle app on your device, you will need to clear its data or uninstall and reinstall the app. Amazon Kindle application itself doesn't have a built-in factory reset option, so the first thing you want to do is to open up your settings app from your mobile device. As soon as you open up settings, go ahead and scroll down and tap on General. Under General, tap on iPhone storage. Now, scroll down and look for the Kindle application and tap on it. Now click on Offload app and click on Offload app once again in the pop-up. Now, tap on Reinstall app and wait for the application to reinstall again. If you want to fully reset the app, you can tap on the Delete app button instead of offloading and then reinstall it again from the App Store. Right after you do that, you will be able to factory reset your Amazon Kindle application on your device. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.